GrooveFunnels tutorial for beginners, how to use GrooveFunnels beginner's guide. Hi, good day. Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you the detailed tutorial on how to use GrooveFunnels. GrooveFunnels is an all-in-one tool that allows users to build sales funnels, landing pages, and websites to sell products online. It's a new tool that's getting a lot of exposure nowadays. Groov also have their own step-by-step bite-sized training for their users to easily learn the different functionality that this website can offer to their users. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing first, go to their website at groove.cm. This is the main homepage of the Groove Funnels, and Groove Funnels can offer more features to their users includes Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Pages, Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Mail, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, and many more as you can see here. So before we go any farther, let's first check their plans just to quickly check their pricing. So here Groove has three different plans. The first one is the free plan, up to 500 contacts, no trial period. It's free for lifetime and also includes 2,500 email sends, one custom domain, which is really great, 25 page hosting, and many more. And the next plan is the starter for $79 per month, up to 5,000 contacts, 50,000 email sends per month, 5 custom domain, 250 page hosting, and more. And the last plan is the Pro plan for $239 per month, and it includes unlimited features to all. So what I love about this software is that their free plan, you can do a lot of things already. So for this tutorial, we need to first create an account. So for this video, I will be selecting the free plan. And if you are not yet familiar with the software, it's better to first try it for free to explore and try the software and see if it will suits to your needs. So to sign up, you just need to fill out this form and provide your account information like your name, email, username, and create your own password. So let me just fill out this form shortly, so just give me a moment. And after that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can watch the 20 minutes video to guide you on how to navigate this software. Also, down here, you can follow or join their social media for most up-to-date information. And you may also join a training web class for free, but I will just skip all of this for now and I will just go here, the final step, log in to Groove. I will be using the email and password to log in. This is the information that I provided earlier. And here I encountered an error. So by the way, you must be using Chrome browser because this software only works on Chrome. So I will just go ahead and switch to my Chrome browser now since I am using my Internet Explorer. I will log in again with my email and password here. And now this is your GrooveFunnels dashboard. So let's do a quick tour here. So here on your left sidebar, you have different menus. First is the home, and this is now the home dashboard. Then you have your marketplace here. This is for your affiliate marketplace is where you can get affiliate products if you want to do affiliate marketing to earn. And here is your affiliate menu now. Here your product funnels to see all your affiliate products, affiliate funnels, your customers' information, like the customer that click on your affiliate links, reporting, your tools, marketplace. This is for your affiliate products to find more products. So let's go back to dashboard. And here you also have your Groove Marketplace, where Groove users will be able to sell their designs in the Groove Pages Marketplace. You can also buy some design. Groove App Store here. Also, other services they offer. You can see it here. And they also have events and workshop to see upcoming events and workshop that can help you and your business grow in Groove. You can join this workshop. API, language, Groove Digital Academy. This is another features for their user to find resources and learn more. Here's your resource for marketing training, webinar replays, and courses. All Groove members can sign up for a free account. This is really amazing because it's just like having free online course as well. And going up here, when you hover your mouse to Groove logo, you'll see the applications Groove can offer, and GrooveFunnels is just one of the apps they have. They also have Groove Page, Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, and many more. So let's just go to GrooveFunnels, and here is where you can create your own site or website. And for a free plan, you can have one custom domain, which is a big advantage of Groove for me compared to other website builder app that they require their user to upgrade their plan if they want to get a custom domain. Because for a free plan, you can have a domain, but it's not a custom domain. It means that the name of their site will also be included as a subdomain when you create your own website. So let's go ahead and create a new site. And here you can create new site with a blank template or with a template. GrooveFunnels have plenty of professional looking website templates that you can start within creating your site. So just find the templates that will work or suit to the website that you want to create. And you can just preview the site just to see the template site look if you like it, and it will open a new tab. Then you can just close the tab if you don't like it and find another one. And if you like, then just click select. And once you selected a template, then you need to provide your custom domain name. I will just name it keithservicesportfolio.com. This is a custom domain. And after that, you'll be prompted to this page where you can customize and edit the template that you choose. So just select a block, and here you can edit the text, the font style, the weight, the size. You may also change the background of your site, the border, add animation, and many more. And here on the left sidebar, you have your other menu for adding blocks. You can add empty blocks, call to action, and you also have your template here for these blocks. You may also add contact blocks, and here's a template, checkout form, and many more. You also have your elements here to add elements like a different layout. You can choose it here. And you also have your funnels, your webinars if you want to add webinars. And you may also add pop-ups if you like to. You also have your settings here, language, and this is your Groove Digital. And you can always save your work if you want to have a break and continue your work later on. And this eye icon here is for preview if you want to view your site. And once you're ready and you think that your website is ready to go, you can just hit publish for it to come live online for your customers or audience to visit. So that's all for today's video for this GrooveFunnels quick tutorial, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.